Starbucks peppermint mocha. If you love the peppermint smell, you love the taste, you look forward to peppermint mocha every single year, I'm pretty sure you don't like the cost, and it is so expensive when the Starbucks cups keep on building up, and that means your bank account is going down. So I have a very healthy, very easy, dairy-free, low sugar, no refined sugar. That's the best part. And one secret ingredient that you are gonna need to make an easy, healthy, amazing, anxiety-free peppermint mocha. So keep on watching, and I'm gonna tell you where I got mine at the very end of this video. So what do you need to make it? Cute holiday mug, check. Like so many recipes out there that require you crush up peppermint sticks, we're not gonna do that because these peppermint sticks are cute, but they are loads of sugar. And I have something very simple to give you that extra peppermint flavor, and it's not gonna be overwhelming. So these are staples for me. I love coconut milk. This one is low sugar, dairy-free, and this is So Delicious dairy-free oat milk creamer. You can use one or the other. I've made these peppermint mochas like the last month, just trying them out. And I prefer, strangely, because I love this, I prefer just a tiny splash of this oat milk instead. So I'm gonna be using this one, but it's up to you which milk that you use. You can use almond milk, a lot of people love that. Unfortunately, I'm allergic to almonds, so. Now, while you can use regular standard coffee, I wanted to bring you a healthier alternative. So today we're going to be using a mushroom coffee. If you haven't heard of it, mushroom coffee is amazing, and obviously you're not going to get the crazy highs and lows of standard coffee and espresso, but it's going to be so much better for your adrenals long term. I think it's really important that we don't depend on coffee, espressos, drinks like that every single day, because those aren't the healthiest for us. So I am going to be using this from Sigmatic. You can get these little packets like at a Whole Foods. You can get a whole bunch of it. It's amazing. So I think they have so many different kinds, and I've tried them all. I would say that the mushroom, here it is, mushroom cacao is the best for this recipe. All you're going to need to do is to heat up your milk, and I'll show you that right now. I am going to froth my milk up, my Sigmatic, and then I'm going to show you the anxiety-free part. Okay, so while the milk heats up for frothing, I'm going to read you what's on the back of the Sigmatic, just in case you haven't tried it. Ingredients: organic cacao powder, organic coconut palm sugar, organic reishi extract, and that's where your mushroom comes in, organic cinnamon, organic cardamom, and organic stevia, and that's your sweetener, and this does contain tree nuts. Alright, so we're going to be using this packet. They say you can just put it in water, but I swear this recipe is so good with a splash of milk. If you like it a little creamier, then you can add more. I'm going to be making 2 today because it's a big hit in this house, so keep watching. And now that our milk is already steamed up, I'm going to go ahead and pour it in a glass. And that just gives it a nice frothy feel that we really love during the holidays. Getting that nice frothy goodness. And you really can see the difference between this one and this one. So let's go ahead and froth this one. Same thing. These frothers are very inexpensive. You can get this on Amazon. I got this one for less than $10 on Amazon. So I'm doing half for this one, just because I'm making 2 small peppermint mochas. And I'll just give it a little stir. now for the best part. So this is what makes it anxiety free. I mean, the holidays are beautiful and magical, but they're also really stressful. And for a lot of people, it means crazy work schedules. Some people don't get time off, or maybe you just already have anxiety. So before the holidays, I found out about Soul CBD, and it's amazing because sometimes like you literally don't even know that you have anxiety. And I was one of those people. I actually just called it butterflies. And for the longest, I heard people use like, oh, I have so much anxiety. And I personally thought it was kind of like an excuse to not do something, or, you know, like a cop out for something, just to say that you don't feel good. But I've actually learned that even I have suffered from anxiety and I just didn't know it, or I didn't know how to express it, and no one ever asked me about it. So I tried this out just because, found them on the gram, and I love it. I originally tried watermelon, but peppermint, I mean, duh, holidays. This is the first thing I thought when I tried this. So all you need is a couple of drops and you're good. I mean, this is pretty powerful. So definitely try it first. Before you do it, you only need a couple drops in both. And the one that you get at Starbucks or other coffee places are, you know, really, really strong. I personally don't even like it that strong. I think it's better on the light side. So yeah, you can always be fancy and crack one of these open and kind of stir it, make it look super festive. I'm using those for decorations, so not today. But I'm so excited to drink this, like, you have no idea. I mean, peppermint mocha for the win, right? So this one actually isn't mine. This is mine in my cute little sweet gnome cup. And yeah, so easygoing, dairy-free, sugar-free. I mean, this is like so low in sugar, you guys. Like no processed super crazy sugars, and you're not gonna feel like a drag, you're not gonna get a crash. And the best part about it is like you can make this at home, and it's so simple, and you don't have to go through one whole month of buying peppermint mochas. I invite you to try this. It's so easy. Like you saw, you can use regular coffee if you want, or you can do it the mushroom way and try it for Sigmatic. I love the cocoa one. This is the one that I used. Soul CBD, peppermint mocha, a splash of oat milk, cute mug, and you've got it. A whole month at home peppermint mocha, and you didn't have to break the bank and buy like a billion Starbucks. Oh my god, so freaking good. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. I swear, this is so freaking good. I may just end up drinking this all year round because it's so amazing, and I've never been a huge peppermint mocha fan, but once I tried the CBD, I'm like, I have got to try this in my drinks, and it's been the best. So I hope you liked this. I hope you've enjoyed it. If I should do any other drinks, let me know, because I'm going to be making a whole month worth of videos for December. All healthy things to keep you feeling good, feeling strong, anxiety free, move your body, work out, subscribe, and let me know if you like this, if you would like me to make more videos kind of like this one, or healthy inspired drink videos. I'm going to be here all month, every single day of December with a new video. So subscribe to my channel. I'm Irene. This is Irenexofitness. I'm here on YouTube, also on Instagram. Come hang out with me. Let me know if you're loving the peppermint mocha, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.